Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error 0xc000021a on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the thing. Before anything else, disconnect peripherals like printers, scanners, cameras, etc. because they try to push in their own drivers or to the system, which will conflict with the existing drivers of the system. After this, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab, click on Advanced Options, click on Optional Updates and install the optional updates. Now return to the Windows Update page and click on Check for Updates in the right pane. And once this is done, the next solution will be to perform a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar, go to recovery, click on open system restore, select choose a different restore point, click on next, choose a good restore point, click on next, click on finish and finally click on yes to initiate the process. And the last solution is to perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.